don't even know what the date is. I'll put it in on the video somewhere. But nothing going on here. I have to work tomorrow, so I'm doing nothing today. I'm not cooking today, although I am getting ready to cook. I don't know what this is. I had a bagel for breakfast, which was around lunchtime. It is 3:36 now, and I'm about to make me, my mom, and my daughter an omelet. And let's see, I'm not making my husband an omelet because we put like a lot of veggies and stuff in ours, and he just, you know, likes his stuff plain. So he actually had leftover piece of steak, and I just scrambled him some eggs with cheese. So let me show you what I have here. Before I show you though, let me just say, I promise this is not a cooking channel, but that's all I'm doing in quarantine. Watching TV, cooking, an occasional sit in the backyard with, you know, maybe an adult beverage or something. Actually, I don't drink any of that stuff up there. But yeah, so cooking, eating, watching TV, that's about it. So it seems like a cooking channel. I do enjoy cooking. I don't like that I'm having to cook this much, but what are you gonna do? So everything is closed, but this is what I have. Let me show you. Let me turn the camera around. All right, this is what we have. So self-explanatory. Yes, I do have dirty dishes in the sink. I'll get to that whenever I get to it. Bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and then I've never used this before, but I'm gonna try this. If you saw my grocery haul, then you would have saw this. I think I got this from Walmart. I actually got this as a pizza topping, as it shows here in the picture on the bottom, but I'm gonna use it for an omelet. So yeah, omelets are easy enough. Everybody can do it. This is just what I like in my omelet. So I'm gonna cook this. I'll probably add some cheese, and that's gonna be it. So, you know, like I said before, nothing I do in this kitchen is hard. It just needs to be good. I'm so thankful that I don't have the type of husband that really cares what's on the menu. He just cares that there's something on the menu and that we're eating, but he's not picky or just like demanding, or like we gotta have like a Sunday Thanksgiving meal every day. So I'm thankful for that, because I do know some people, like, they have to really be twerking over pots and pans in the kitchen every day, and that's not my life. So thank you. That egg in, so I'm going to let this cook for a bit before I turn it over. Now, my daughter likes Kraft cheese slices in her omelet. My mom likes shredded cheese, so I won't put the cheese in yet. Alright, the omelets are done. I'm not going to plate them up or anything like that. My daughter's going to have, this is hers with her Kraft cheese melted on top. She's going to have this with some fruit. This is my mom's with cheddar cheese on top, and I don't know what she's gonna have with hers, but that's it, and I'm gonna make mine. While my cheese is melting on my omelet, and I did opt for the Kraft American cheese. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I do like Kraft cheese. Not to eat by itself, like a grilled cheese, a burger, or omelet. I don't have an issue with Kraft. But anywho, while my cheese is melting, this is what was left with the vegetables. I'm just throwing this in one of my daughter's lunch containers. I'm going to store this in the refrigerator for a future omelet.